uCertify offers CompTIA A certification prep for IT professionals. So, start your prep for CompTIA A certification exam from today with uCertify. To be a CompTIA A certified professional, you'll have to pass 220901 and 220902 exams. It validates understanding of the most common hardware and software technologies in business and certifies the skills necessary to support complex IT infrastructures. In uCertify course, you'll be receiving 268 practice questions. The course has 27 lessons with interactive learning resources, such as over 335 flashcards, 217 quizzes, and 460 exercises. The course has 6 sets of practice tests with hundreds of items to ensure effective learning outcome. Finally, once you achieve a rating score of 90% or more, you will receive the certificate of course completion from uCertify. Upon course completion, you'll be able to understand PC hardware and peripherals, mobile device hardware, networking and troubleshooting hardware, and network connectivity issues. Install and configure operating system including Windows, iOS, Android, Apple OS X, and Linux. Address security, the fundamentals of cloud computing, and operation procedures. To explore more about uCertify titles and their features, please visit www.ucertify.com/exams/CompTIA/220901-220902. You can call us on 415-763-6300 or reach us by an email sales@ucertify.com.